Have you ever wondered why life feels so hard sometimes? Why suffering keeps showing up no matter what you do? According to Buddhism, it's not a mystery, it's a pattern that can be understood and overcome. Let's explore the Four Noble Truths, the core of Buddhist wisdom. The Four Noble Truths are the foundation of Buddhist teachings. They offer a profound insight into the nature of suffering and the path to liberation. The first truth acknowledges the presence of suffering in our lives. The second truth explores the causes of this suffering, often rooted in desire and attachment. The third truth reveals that there is an end to suffering, a state of peace and enlightenment. Finally, the fourth truth provides a practical guide, the Noble Eightfold Path, to achieve this liberation. By understanding and practicing these truths, we can transform our lives and find true happiness. Join us as we delve deeper into each of these truths and uncover the wisdom they hold. More than 2,500 years ago, Siddhartha Gautama, later known as the Buddha, reached enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, India. What he discovered wasn't a religion in the traditional sense. It was a profound and transformative insight into the human condition. He saw the root cause of suffering, which he identified as desire and ignorance, and he also discovered the way out of this suffering. This path, known as the Noble Eightfold Path, offers a practical guide to ethical and mental development, with the goal of freeing individuals from attachments and delusions. Through his teachings, the Buddha provided a way to achieve true peace and happiness, a state known as nirvana. The first noble truth is simple but powerful. Life involves suffering. In Buddhism, this is called dukkha. It's not just pain, it's dissatisfaction. Even when life is good, we still feel uneasy. We want more. We fear losing what we have. That's suffering. Dukkha encompasses all forms of discomfort, from the physical to the emotional. It's the nagging feeling that something is always missing. This truth encourages us to look deeper into our lives and recognize the inherent imperfections. By understanding dukkha, we can begin to address the root causes of our suffering. It's the first step on the path to enlightenment, urging us to seek a more profound sense of peace and contentment. This realization is the foundation of Buddhist practice. The second noble truth reveals the cause. Suffering comes from craving. We constantly chase pleasure, success, approval, but these things don't last. We get attached. And when things change, we suffer. This craving is called Tanha. The third noble truth offers hope. Suffering can end. If craving causes pain, then letting go leads to peace. This state of freedom is called Nirodha. It's not about escaping life. It's about being free within it. The fourth noble truth is the path to freedom. It's called the Eightfold Path, a practical guide for living. It includes right view, right action, right speech, right effort. These are not beliefs, but practices that lead to wisdom, ethics, and mental clarity. These truths aren't just ancient ideas. They speak directly to the anxiety, pressure, and confusion we face today. By understanding suffering, we stop running from it. And when we stop running, we find peace. The Buddha didn't want blind followers. He wanted awakened minds. So don't just listen, reflect, observe your own life. And slowly truth will reveal itself. If this brought you clarity, consider following this path deeper. Subscribe to the Insight Quest for more simple, powerful wisdom from Buddhist teachings. Together, let's explore a more mindful, meaningful life.